Hi, it's Doug from DTA Designs Inc. talking about profile maintenance within our fire department theme. Before we discuss profile maintenance, I would like to show you the email that you would receive weekly from the system if you haven't added your profile to the system. Once you have added your profile to the system, you will receive the following email twice a year. The reason you are receiving this email is for verification that your information is current and does not require any updating. After signing into your website, you'll be presented with the firefighter's homepage. Your homepage will look a little different than what is being shown to you here, as your website will be customized for your fire department. Also, your fire department may not have implemented all options available in the fire department theme. Click on the yellow circle containing your initial of your first name at the far right of the menu bar. You will be presented with a similar update profile web page where you can update or add your profile information. I have resized the web page so it fits on a single page now. As you notice, the only field that is optional is your cell phone number, but if you have a cell, it is highly recommended that you add it. I will now go offline to add all the necessary information before clicking on the update profile button. Now that I have updated all of the fields, I will click on the update profile button. You will receive a confirmation message that your profile has been updated. Please note that you can only add or update your profile. There is no option to delete your profile, as your fire department believes that this information is very important to them, especially when out on a call. That concludes the video about profile maintenance within our fire department theme. Thanks for watching.